Alright, in this video we're going to talk about measurement, SI units, metric conversion, and a simple little trick to help convert those metric units. Remember that this metric system like this, it's based on multiples of 10. So if you multiply or divide by 10, you get, a higher or a lower unit. So this simple little mnemonic, and you can change this mnemonic up to kind of fit whatever you'd like, but this one, usually something silly and sometimes gross to think about, usually sticks in your mind a little bit better. So this one is Kara's hot dogs use dead cow meat. So if you go and look down, the K stands for kilo, the H for hecta, the D for deca, use the U for unit, that's our base unit, dead for deci, C for centi, and M for milli. Alright, and you'll see on the next line down right here, this is our symbol that we use for each one of these units. So our base unit, for whatever it is that you're talking about, the base unit is going to be our 1 right there. And if you're going from that base unit, for example, let's say we're going from grams to milligrams. Okay, so we start with 1 gram. I get my pen to work. There we go. 1 gram. We're starting from 1 gram, and we're going to go to milligrams. Okay. So basically, if you're moving this direction, you're moving to the right on this little scale here, this little chart, then you're going to move your decimal point to the right. Okay, so this starts out as a 1.0. And we're going to move that decimal point, we're going to move it 1, 2, 3 places to the right, and you end up with 1,000 milligrams, and it looks like my chart's a little bit off there. The M and the G should be together, so 1,000 milligrams. And if you end up you want to go from a gram to a kilogram, you're actually moving to the left 1, 2, 3 places. So you move your decimal point to the left 3 places. Alright, from 1.0 to 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. 1,000th of a gram. 1 gram is 1,000th of a kilogram. 1 gram is equal to 1,000th of a kilogram. So if you're going to the left on this scale, you're going to move your decimal point that many places to the left. If you're moving on the right, you move your decimal point that many places to the right. So let's try a few practice problems. Wait, first, let's look at right here too also that mass. Grams is a unit for mass. That length is in meters and volume is in liters. Okay, so mass is in grams, length in meters, volume in liters. Alright, so let's try a few of these problems. Let's start with this first one. The 1,000 milligrams is equal to how many grams? Okay, so we had 1,000 milligrams is equal to how many grams? Okay, so we're going to be moving our decimal point. Let's write out, and I suggest every time you're getting ready to do this on some practice problems, or maybe you're getting ready to take a quiz or test, just write out your little cons. Kara's hot dogs use dead cow meat. Alright? So we're going from milligrams to grams. Alright? So we're starting here. Right? And we have 1,000 milligrams. We're starting right here. So 1,000 milligrams. Remember, your decimal point is right here at the end. And we're going to grams. So we're going 1, 2. Grams is our base unit. Alright, so we're going to the left. We're going 1, 2, 3 to the left. That means we have 1.0 grams. 1,000 milligrams is equal to 1.0 grams. So let's go back one more. Let's see. Oops. Okay, there we go. Alright, so the next one, 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1 liter would be equal to how many milliliters? Alright, so we have 1 liter, and it's equal to how many milliliters? Okay, so let's put our cons, hot dogs use dead cow meat, or Kara's hot dogs use dead cow meat, or the King's hot dogs use dead cow meat. It doesn't matter. You can say whatever you want. So 1 liter, so liter is our base unit. Alright, a liter is our unit. So we're right here at liter, and we're going to go to milliliters, and we are going 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So we would take our 1.0, and we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, add it in there, so it is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Okay, let's see if I can get back to my slide here. Alright, how about one more? Let's try 160 centimeters is equal to how many millimeters? 160 centimeters is equal to how many millimeters? Okay, so 160 centimeters is equal to how many milliliters? Alright, so write out your little mnemonic. Okay, and we've got centimeters, so we're starting right here, and we're going just one place, and we're going to the right. So we're going one place to the right. So if we have 160, our decimal point would be right there, and we're moving it one place to the right, so fill in your decimal point. So you get 1,600 milliliters.